Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and I'm going to keep this video really simple because it is a very simple feature inside of Facebook that is fairly new, and it is called Saved Audiences. So this is a great tool that allows you to pre-create audiences that you would like to target in the future. All right, so previously it's kind of been a pain in the butt because you would have a list of keywords that you knew you wanted to use for a specific niche, and every time you would create a new ad, you'd have to type in the keywords one by one every time. Well, now Facebook has finally, got the hint. They've got the picture. They allow us to save our keywords into just standard saved audiences. So I want to show you this feature real quick. It's going to be a huge time saver for you. And time is money, and then we'll move on to the next video. So let's jump in my Facebook account. Okay, here we are in a fresh Facebook account, and to use the standard audiences feature and create an audience of keywords that you want to save, all you have to do is come over to Tools and click on Audiences, and this is where your standard audiences, custom audiences, and lookalike audiences will be. So let's click on Audiences. Okay, now once you get to audiences here, you can now come to the left-hand side and hit create an audience. So when we do this, it's going to say, do you want to do a custom audience, a lookalike audience, or just a saved audience? We're going to click on saved audience. All right, now when we do that, it's going to pull up basically everything you would see typically when you're creating a regular old Facebook ad. But now it's going to ask you to name this audience. So we may name this audience nursing. How about this? Precise nursing keywords. All right, and you might come over here and say, I just want to target women, and then use keywords such as nursing. But these are precise keywords, not broad. So we're going to try to find some of the precise ones. So let's see, how about nurse? All right, so we've got some decently precise ones in here, like nurse.com, okay. And now, boom, now it's going to start giving us a bunch of other recommended keywords that are precise. And if you don't know what precise keywords are, then make sure you go to the section in this course that talks about targeting and keyword mining, and you'll learn a lot more. But generally, these are the long tail keywords, or the all lowercase keywords, or .com keywords. So we can build what's called a precise audience, and you spend some time going through here, finding all of the good keywords, the ones that make sense, the ones that are relevant. And after you've built your keyword list, this is just a sample list. So after you've built this list, you come up here, we've named it precise nursing keywords. Women, you can set your age group, your country, whatever. Do anything you want, basically. You just hit create audience. All right, so now we've hit create audience, and you can see here that we have 1.5 million people based off these precise keywords. And boom, we can use these. Now let's do a broad one. So we can come over here to saved audience and do this, like broad nursing keywords, women. And for this, we would do nurse. So let's see, just a broad. I want to make sure I actually get a real broad keyword, since I know you're kind of watching every move that I make. And you're going to copy it, based off this training. So nursing. Okay, so this one is a broad keyword. 81 million people fall under nursing. You see there's fields of study, job titles, employers, and so forth. This is a broad interest right here. Remember, I call them keywords, but Facebook calls them interests. And this would be your broad keyword, okay? So you're hitting 81 million people in the world. I don't know what that boils down to in the US. Yeah, 16 million. All right, so you would hit create audience. And in a second, boom, all right, we have got our broad audience and our precise audience. So you could do this and go ahead and create keyword lists for different niches, and you can use them later. So when you, in the future, when you come in Facebook and say, you know what, I want to create an ad for another nursing product because I'm in the nursing niche, and this is my keyword list that I've created over time of precise keywords. You just click the little checkbox and come up here to actions, and you can, oh, they moved it. It's actually right here. You just hit create ad and watch what happens. And now it's going to ask us what our objective is going to be. So you would just choose your objective. All right, then you would type in your website address to your nursing product you're advertising or your Shopify store. Choose what conversion event you want to optimize on if you're doing conversions. Now you would just go to set audience and budget. And look, boom, already done for us. Our targeting is in here. We're hitting 1.5 million people on our precise nursing keywords. So we don't have to sit here and type away in mine for keywords every time we want to target a product to nursing keywords, because we went ahead, pre-created the audience and then saved it in Facebook. So now we can go in and we can edit it and we can add more to it. We can take some away. Point is, you don't want to always have to redo and re-find all of your keywords or keep an Excel file with all your keywords in it. You know, just it's so much easier to save them in Facebook so they're there when you need them and you can quickly and efficiently create an ad. So that's how you can utilize Facebook's new saved audience feature. I hope you enjoy this. I know for a fact it's going to save you a whole bunch of time. And man, I wish over the past couple of years this tool was available, because I've spent hours and hours and hours of my life re-typing in the same keywords every time I create a new ad. And finally, Facebook has created a feature that just lets you save your keywords and use them in the future. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one.